Okay.
Anji.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the following chapters: exponents and powers. See, students, the question is like this: find the value of x when that first one 49 into 7 power x is equals to 7 power 10. So if you get like this any question, how to find the value of x? Now see Nana its solution. We know 49 is equals to, that is what Nana? 7 square, because of 49 is a perfect square number. Yes. So in the place of 49 I am going to write 79. 7 square, that is 7 whole square into 7 power x is equals to 7 power 10. Now everyone try to observe the law or remember the law of exponents, that is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay na students? So it is in the form of 7 power 2 means that is a power m into 7 power x means that is a power n. Then we can write
ఏడు సార్
that
పట్టుకుంటారు ఏం లేదు
7 power 2 plus x is equals to 7 power 10. Okay now? Now clearly bases are equal. Base is 7, base is 7. Okay now? So bases are equal, then equating powers. Okay, so bases equal ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి వాటి పవర్స్ ని ఈక్వల్ చేద్దాం. What is the exponent here? That is 2 plus x is equals to, what is the exponent here? That is 10. దీన్ని exponent అనొచ్చు, you can read it as a power also. Okay నా స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ 2 plus x ని మనం exponent అనొచ్చు లేదా పవర్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. You can call it as. Now see, simply equating the exponents. Then what I am doing, transposing 2 to RHS side, then x is equals to 10 minus plus 2 transposing to RHS side, it becomes minus 2. Therefore x is equals to what Nana? 8. Okay na students? So this is the required solution. First one. Okay students, the next second question is 5 by 9 whole power 3, 5 by 9 power 3 whole power 4 is equals to 5 by 9 power x plus 2. This is the question Nana. So we are going to find the value is what? That is x. See, first of all, you try to remember the law of exponent, that is a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equals to, that is a power mn or m into n. Okay, this is the required formula for LHS side. It is in the a means what Nana here? 5 by 9, m means 3, n means 4. Now I am writing this one 5 by 9 whole power 3 into 4, that is equals to 5 by 9 power x plus 2. Now we can write 5 by 9 whole power 3 4s are 12 is equals to 5 by 9 whole power x plus 2. Observe clearly the bases. This is base, this is exponent, this is base, this is exponent or power. See children, clearly bases are equal. Ikkada base 5 by 9 undi, ikkada kuda 5 by 9 undi. So write the statement again. Bases are equal, then equating powers. Okay, so powers ni equating cheste ikkada vachesi what Nana? That is 12 is equals to what Nana here? That is x plus 2. Now 2 transposing to LHS side, then here 12 is there, plus 2 is transposing to LHS side, it becomes minus 2. that is equals to x. Therefore x is equals to 12 minus 2 means what, Anna? That is 10. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay na students? Is equals to 3 and q is equals to 4. Then evaluate in that first one p square minus 2pq plus q square. Okay na students? So this is the question amma. P is equals to 3 and q is equals to 4. Then evaluate in that first one p square minus 2pq plus q square. See its solution, Anna. Here p means 3, q means 4. Then simply p is equals to 3 and q is equals to 4. Substitute in the place of p and q. So that is p square means that is 3 square minus 2 into p means 3, q means 4 plus q square means what, Nana? That is 4 whole square. Now 3 square is what? 3 square ante 3 raised to the power 2 ante that is 3 into 3 9 minus, see here 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 ante minus 24 plus 4 whole square means that is 16. Now clearly here plus 9 is there, here plus 16 is there, plus 9 is there. 16 plus 9 ante that is 25 minus here 24 is there. So that is equals to what now? What we are getting? The value is 1. Okay now students? 3 square ante 9, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, 4 whole square means 16, plus 16 plus 9 25 minus 24 is there, 25 minus 24 means that is 1. Total, okay now? Next one. Next here minus 8p square. Okay students? Again same values, p is equals to 3 and q is equals to 4. Evaluate pq whole square minus 8p square. Again same as usually you do same in the place of p and q, just substitute the values. Pq means that is what? 3 into 4, p into q whole power 2 minus 8 of p square means that is 3 whole square. The value of p is 3, that's why I substituted here. Now 3 4 is what? That is 12. 12 whole square minus 8 of 3 square means that is 9. Okay, 12 whole square means that is what? 144 minus 8 9s are 72. So 144 minus 72 means what? That is 72. So this is the required answer for the question. Okay now students? Okay students, now see the next model question. Raghu sold 2 scooters for rupees 19,800 each. Raghu 2 scooters ni అమ్మేశాడు. ఫర్ ఈచ్ వన్ కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఎంతకు అమ్మేశాడు? 19,800. సో గెయినింగ్ 10% ఆన్ 1 అంటే ఒక స్కూటర్ మీద 10% తనకి ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది, లాభం వచ్చింది. లూజింగ్ 10% ఆన్ ద అదర్, ఇంకొక స్కూటర్ మీద వచ్చేసి తనకి లాస్ వచ్చేసింది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఓవరాల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈ గెటింగ్ లాస్ ఆర్ ప్రాఫిట్ అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? 2 స్కూటర్స్ని Raghu sold 2 scooters for rupees 19,800 each. ఒక్కొక్క స్కూటర్ని 19,800 రూపీస్కి అమ్మేశాడు. ఒక దాని మీద 10% ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది, అనదర్ స్కూటర్ మీద 10% లాస్ వచ్చింది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఓవరాల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్లో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. నా సీనా ఇక్కడ 2 కేసెస్ తీసుకుందాం. కేస్ 1, ఇక్కడ స్కూటర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద సోల్డ్ అంటే సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్. ఎస్పీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ నానా? ఫస్ట్ స్కూటర్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 19,800. హౌ మచ్ ఈజ్ గెయినింగ్? గెయిన్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాట్ నానా? 10. ఓకే. అండ్ సెకండ్ స్కూటర్ selling price is equals to, that is also 19,800, but what is the last percentage? Last percentage is equals to, that is also 10. So now see, when you know the selling price and gain percentage, what is the cost price formula? Selling price and gain percentage, when we know the selling price and gain percentage, what is the cost price formula? What is the cost price formula, Nana? Anybody? 100. Tell me. 100 by 100 plus gain percentage into selling price. Okay, now this is the required formula for CP. Now see, that is 100 by 100 plus gain percentage means that is 100 plus 10. Okay, of CP SP means what, Nana? That is 19,800. So that is equals to 100 by 100 plus 10 means 110 into 19,800. Clearly 0 cancel. 0 cancel. 11 table use చేస్తున్నాను. 11 I am using 11 table. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are, ఇక్కడ 11 ones are 11 ఉంది. 19లో 11 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 8 ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఈ 19లో 11 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 8 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో 8. 11 8s are 88. ఈ 2 zeros క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నా, ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా. Now 10 into 1800. 10 into 1800. That is equals to what, Nana? 18,000. So what is the cost price of the first scooter, Nana? The cost price of the first scooter is 18,000. Okay. So next, coming to the second scooter, its given selling price is 19,800. Loss percentage is equals to 10. Then what is the cost price formula? That is 100 by, ఇక్కడ లాస్ అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి మైనస్ లాస్, 100 మైనస్ లాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఇంటూ SP. Now that is 100 by 100 minus loss percentage means that is 100 minus 10 into 19,800. So that is equals to 100 by 100 minus 10 means 90 into 19,800. 0 cancel. Okay, 0 cancel.
922 sir.
9 ones are, ఇక్కడ 9 టేబుల్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నా. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. ఈ 19లో 18 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 1 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 8 అంటే 18. 9 twos are 18. సో ఈ 2 zeros క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నా, ఇక్కడ రాసేస్తున్నా. సో దట్ ఈస్ 10 into 2,200. That is equals to what, Nana? 22,000. What is the cost price of the second scooter, Nana? That is 22,000. What is the cost price of the first scooter, Nana? That is 18,000. Okay, na? So Up to here, first case. First. Then cost price of 2 scooters is equals to, that is first scooter 18,000 plus second scooter 22,000. That is equals to what, Nana? Total 40,000. What is the cost price of the 2 scooters, Nana? 40,000. First scooter and the second scooter. Then what is the selling price? Selling price of 2 scooters. That is equals to 19,800 plus 19,800. This is in given only. Okay now. The cost price, the Raghu sold 2 scooters, 19,800 for each another. So 19,800, 19,800 what na? Actual ఏమొస్తుంది 19,800, 19,800, 0, 0, 16. So that is 39,600 వస్తుంది. 39,600. So clearly, yes, cost price is 40,000, selling price is 39,600. So we know cost price is greater than selling price. Then loss is equals to, that is what, Nana? CP minus SP. That is CP means what? 40,000 minus 39,600 is equals to, that is 400. So how much percentage? మనకు లాస్ వచ్చేసి 400 రూపీస్ వచ్చింది. అది ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్ అంటే లాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, దట్ ఈజ్ లాస్ బై సిపి ఇంటూ 100. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? లాస్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు లాస్ బై కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఇంటూ 100. సో లాస్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈజ్ 400 by cost price. What is the cost price of the 2 scooters? That is 40,000 into 100. So clear ga ikkada 2 zeros, ikkada 2 zeros cancel. Okay, ikkada 2 zeros, ikkada 2 zeros cancel. Okay, 4 cancel. So last percentage వచ్చేసి what nana? 1% వస్తుంది. Okay na students? What is the last percentage? 1%. Yeah, this is the required answer for the question. Thank you students.
వచ్చేనా?
Question.